The next template is the password reset confirm.html. Right, so again in registration, right click, new file, password reset confirm.html. Again, we have load static. And of course, again, you can copy the same thing. So just press Ctrl V, right, to paste that there. And here we will check valid link. So if valid link is true, that means the link is valid. We have a paragraph tag and a message. And now we have a form tag. Right, so we're going to use a set password form fields here. We start with the CSRF token tag. We have a table tag. We have a table row tag within that, and then a table detail tag. The first table detail is form.new password1.label tag. Then we have another table detail on the same row, and that's for entry of that new password. So that's going to be form.new password1. The next table row and the next table detail will be form.new password2. That's for password confirmation. Label tag. And another table detail for entry. That completes the second row. In the last row, here we'll have a table detail again, and that's for our input tag. So input type equal to submit, value equal to, and this will be change my password. Okay. If the link is not valid, we'll have an else template tag, h2 tag. We'll have a paragraph tag, and within that, and then we have an end if. We have to close that div. Now we've got to create the next template, which is password reset complete.html. So again, in the registration folder, right click, new file, password reset complete.html. And again, we start with load static, and we can paste that again, right? We then have a paragraph tag, just a message. We provide a link, class for styling, URL, login. And then, of course, what will appear on screen. Now, before we test the functionality, we need to make sure that one of the users has the email address as set in our settings.py file. So let's go to the admin site. Login as admin. Click on users. And in this one, we'll change this to your email ID. Right, so again, make sure that the email ID you've put in is the one that you have in your settings.py file as a default from email, and then click save. Now we can exit. Click on enrollment. Now enter the username and then click forgot my password. Okay, so we have a template error here, and you can see there's one quote missing there. That's in our password reset. So let's go to password reset form.html, which means we will have it in all these templates. So let's check this one. And again, you can see there's no quote there. So put that in, confirm. And again, there's no quote there. And complete. And again, there's a quote missing there. So let's try that again. Click on enrollment, enter the username, click forgot my password, put in the email address, submit. Now you should have received an email. And there you can see we have an email. If you click on this link, then you have a chance to enter a new password. And that's it. So now log in. And there we are. Okay, now of course you can use the same browser if you like. I've used 2 different browsers. That's the end of the series. Till the next series, take care. Bye.